Okay, good evening, guys. Still on lockdown here in the Philippines, and okay, so right now it's my night session here at the rooftop. It's around 8 in the evening here in Cainta Rizal, and we're recording a live view of the moon. This is a crescent moon. I think this one is a waxing. Is it waxing? Okay. Anyway, here is the full view. It's on a ×1. I'm using the Tasco Luminova 4.5-inch 900mm reflecting astronomical telescope. It's a Newtonian parabolic mirror type. Okay, so the aperture of f is f8 on the telescope. Let's try to zoom this up with the times with the digital zoom. It's ×1 now, moving up to 1.2. okay, hold on. One more time. Okay, so this is when wait, let's focus it more. Okay, there you go. This ×1 ×2, okay, ×2. As you can see here, it's super close. The maximum digital zoom on my Sony A6400 mirrorless camera. There you go. One more time. There. Let's zoom it out one more time. Zoom it now. Okay. Split back. There. What happened? It becomes dim. Okay. Alright. There are clouds covering the moon. Okay. So there, guys. There you have it, guys. I hope you like the video. It's just another demonstration of my Sony A6400 mirrorless camera and the Tasco Luminova 4.5-inch telescope. Okay, I guess the moon is going out again. Alright, there you go. Well, anyway, it's a bit cloudy tonight, but alright, so there you go again. There's a bit of clouds covering the moon, but we can see that it's we could get enough details of the crater. Alright, so I guess I hope you like it. Thank you, and bye bye.